Hey guys, CryptoDad here again. And last night on the live stream, I did a short segment on self-custody, the importance of self-custody, what it's all about. I did a couple of short demos on how you move crypto into your own wallets, and I thought you might like to see it in a short and digestible format. So enjoy. Let's talk about withdrawing your money from an exchange and putting it into a wallet. As I mentioned, I'm using the Ledger Live, and so I'm just going to kind of focus on using Ledger Live. There are other wallets that you can use to store Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but Ledger Live is a pretty good interface for dealing with crypto wallets. And if you have a Ledger Nano X or a Ledger Nano S Plus, you would both be using Ledger Live, right? So I'm going to use the Ledger Live as my default wallet because it operates as mostly as any other wallet would, right? You've got cold storage wallets. You could just as easily use a desktop-based wallet, such as the Electrum Bitcoin wallet, which is free. All right, so there's some Bitcoin in this wallet. This is a desktop-based wallet. It's totally free to use. But like I said, it's not a hardware-protected wallet, right? But you can store crypto in free wallets, and you can download and install this in just a matter of minutes. So you can use Trezor Suite also. So now let's take a look at Ledger Live. If you look at my portfolio, you can see that I have some XRP, some Cosmos, some Stellar, and some Algorand. And if we go over to the accounts, you can see that I can manage multiple wallets in Ledger Live. Each one of these wallets is tied to this device, right? The private keys for all of these wallets are stored on this device. So not only is this a self-custody wallet, it's also a hardware wallet, which stores the private keys offline. So you don't have to go all this route if you don't want to. Self-custody just means putting it in your own wallet. And I just showed you the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. There are other wallets that you can use that are self-custody for your phone, like Trust Wallet. So just putting it in your own wallet is the best policy. So phone-based wallets are not as secure as a hardware wallet because you might lose your phone. But as long as you back them up, they're fine. Desktop-based wallets like Electrum Bitcoin wallet or MetaMask are also fine. You can use those wallets to store your crypto, right? But please, if you don't understand the difference between holding your crypto on an exchange and holding it in your own wallet, that's why I'm here, right? So there are lots of variations of self-custody, right? We've got MetaMask, we've got Ledger Live, we've got Trezor Suite. We've got a lot of places where we can store our crypto in our own wallets. I just prefer Ledger Live to demo how this device works. So let's take a look at my Coinbase account. If you'll notice, there's $500 in my Coinbase account of value, and it's being stored in Tether, right? So is Tether going to collapse? We don't know. Is Coinbase going to collapse? We don't know. But I am currently storing that Tether in my Coinbase account, and I could be storing it offline if I wanted to, right? So why don't we move, first of all, let's move the Bitcoin that is in my Coinbase account over to my wallet, all right? So the first thing we need to deal with, let's get that, we're in the wallet section, is I want to send my Bitcoin somewhere, right? Pardon me, Coinbase uses the term send and receive. Other exchanges use deposit and withdrawal. but send is equivalent to a withdraw, right? I'm going to send my Bitcoin somewhere else, right? So what I want to do is I want to send my Bitcoin into my own Bitcoin wallet. So let's go down in Ledger Live. They're called accounts, but they can be thought of as wallets, right? The term Bitcoin wallet is a very broad term. We can refer to Ledger Live in its entirety as a wallet. We can refer to this thing as a wallet, but it's not really. It's more of a keychain than it is a wallet. And then we can refer to each individual account as a wallet, right? So this is a Bitcoin software wallet. You can see it already has a balance, and I want to move my Bitcoin into this wallet. What do I do? Well, I need to get the Bitcoin address of this wallet. I'll do that by clicking receive, and then we'll hit continue here. I'll just go ahead and skip the hardware check because I know it's valid. And I'll just grab this address by copying the address into my clipboard. This is the address of my wallet. Let's go back over here and we'll say we're going to send all the Bitcoin. We'll paste in the address of my wallet. So this is me telling Coinbase I want to withdraw my Bitcoin to this address, right? We'll hit continue. They're going to charge me a little bit, right? Now, all of the people that came into my live stream and watched me move crypto around that complained about fees, that have now lost all of their investment because they had kept it on an exchange, take heed, right? Coinbase. Okay, here we are. I need to put in my two-factor authentication here. Better to pay a few fees to self-custody your own wallet rather than trust your crypto to an exchange and lose everything, right? You've heard me say it 1,000 times. Fees, fees, fees. Now, let's just say that I would rather not leave this US Tether on the exchange either. Why don't we move the Tether to my own wallet? Well, did you know you can store stablecoins in your own wallet? Yes, you can. And I should also mention that Ledger Live is an internet-based software. It is the outward-facing component of the hardware wallet, but it is, it is an internet-facing application that can get bogged down during times of high traffic. And right now, there's a lot of people transferring crypto. But as you can see, the Bitcoin has arrived in the wallet. It is now, it is not confirmed yet. It will be confirming on the blockchain. So boom, there we go. We just safely stored our Bitcoin in our own wallet. Let's go. So how do we store stablecoin? Well, Tether is an ERC20 token. So we can go over here to our Ethereum wallet and we can scroll down. I have some Tether in here already. If I click on the Tether, I can choose receive and the address is right here. I can copy that into my clipboard. Note also that that address is also the main address of the Ethereum wallet. Same address, right? So a lot of people get confused about the way Ethereum wallets work. Ethereum wallets hold Ethereum in the main part of the wallet, but they can also hold NFTs and ERC20 tokens. All of the tokens here are ERC20 tokens. I'm going to go back over here. Let's go to the Tether. Oh, I need to be in the wallet tab here. And I need to do a send, right? Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and send it all, right? Send it all, right? Now, I'm going to paste in that address that I got. And let's hit continue. Now, it's going to cost us 93 cents to move this into my Ethereum wallet. Small price to pay. Let's hit send now. Let's go ahead and put in the two-factor for Coinbase. And the tether's on its way. Let's go back here and see if that... Yeah, the tether has come in, right? So there's the tether that we withdrew from Coinbase, right? Safe and sound in my own wallet. If Coinbase crashes tomorrow, I don't care because all my assets are in my wallet, right? I can just use these. I can transfer the tether to KuCoin or Binance US or Kraken or Gemini, anywhere else. I can use those tokens to trade somewhere else, right? But I don't think Coinbase is going to crash tomorrow. Just an example. But it worked just fine. Don't forget, I do a live stream every Saturday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live stream from Michigan, where you can throw out your questions, and I'll do my very best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon. Hi, kitty.